Hey, it's me. Are you in that meeting again? You are? You're presenting? It's okay, I'll be quick. So I was just thinking last night, I was watching the sunset and I thought, now what the hell happened to the person who was the first ever to see a sunset for the first time? Do you think like what the hell was going through their mind? I mean, it's been daylight all day and then all of a sudden, there it goes. You know you gotta be thinking, this can't be good. I mean, if it were me, if I'm just placed on this earth, it's daylight, it's great, and all of a sudden it's dark, and I can't see nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna go off the rails. I have a huge haul and this cutie beside me, and I'm just gonna get into it. It's pretty big. I think this ended up being like $90-ish with tax, so we're right around there. I'm gonna grab completely at random. First bag has these Easter Bunny egg containers. Did I say that right? We've seen these for years and they keep coming back as they should. This is an item that I think is very smart on Dollar Tree's behalf to bring back every year. Sorry about the lighting. I just don't have you guys like at the best angle because like then there's that door, but we get a purple and a pink. Essentially, yeah, the lighting's just really throwing it off a little bit. And then a yellow and this pretty light blue color. Yeah, it's an egg container. So you make sure that you get both pieces in here. They are not supposed to be sold separately like this because you have to then combine them, which is super cute. It's gonna look great if you're working with a larger Easter basket or for like making this like the golden egg, you know, for Easter egg hunting, like whoever finds the big one. Maybe for the older crowd, you could do like money or whatever, bigger candy bars kind of thing. And then like just to make it cute, if you want to do something really simple, like for example with Micah, I could just do one of these eggs, fill it up with, you know, Barnes & Noble's gift card and makeup and things like that, call it a day. So these little eggs are such a gem from Dollar Tree, and I feel like I definitely didn't haul them last year, but I usually haul them every year just to show you guys that they keep coming back. Okay, next up, I finally got a packet of these round doilies. So this one's like the medium size, which is really interesting because they usually sell it in like one big package and you get like multiple sizes. But I found this one. I also got another one of these loot bags. This is like the package that I've been using for my strawberry kits in my Etsy shop. And I think it's such cute packaging. Strawberry kits are still available, by the way, and this is the last round. I don't know how many are left, but after this, there will be no more strawberry kits. But you guys really loved the crap out of my sunshine kits, and I'm doing a third and final round on sunshine kit. All right, then I picked up these new stickers. I do not have them in my collection. I thought they were really pretty. Love that like old-timey look. And then these have such a pretty like picture on the inside. Look at the Eiffel Tower right there, so cute. And then these just have like a blue and silvery, yeah, detail to them. I grabbed more of the heart rhinestones in red. These come in multiple colors, green, blue, pink. Then I picked up the fuchsia pearls. They also come in a light pink, light blue, navy, red. Then I picked up this, which I've picked it up before, but I decided to get it again. I want to work with this somehow in a junk journal. Now this big piece, because it's not like real glass, I don't really know like what kind of material that is, but I want to probably do like put this in like one of my bigger junk journals that I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna keep that aside for material. Then I picked up some more cards. Here's another Mario card. I want to do a Mario junk journal, so I got that. And then I picked up this one. I thought it was so cute, like this little train. Like, what? Yeah, it's a birthday card, but I could definitely work around. Like, I could put something over here, so it doesn't say like Birthday Express, and just kind of like use it for, I think I want to use this for like my circus theme junk journal that I'm going to be doing soon. My circus theme kits are next up, by the way, and my mermaid kits are going to be next. So in April, those will be the 2 kits that will be limited and available. All right, next up in this bag, I picked up the Peeps Cotton Candy. It's marshmallow flavored. That's really interesting. That's super cute packaging. I want to use it for a gift basket, but so marshmallow flavored. All right, then I picked up some bath salts. I found 4 of them, and they each have like a different color. So there they are. Whoa. The pink one has like a rose and musk scented. Packaging is okay. I'm not like a fan. It could be cuter. This one is a clean cotton scented. Ingredients on the back. This one is a Roman chamomile. That's interesting. And then the purple is lavender sandalwood. So, found those bath salts. All right, there's that. Where's the next bag? In this 3rd bag, I found the Easter cookie decorating kits. You get the cookie, you get the icing, you get the sprinkles. Like, you get the entire kit in here to make cookies. That is so cute. It's gonna be such a great little project or something to do with the kids. So I thought that was really awesome. I picked up the name badges in red, just like those. Loki has his whole face like in the bag. I wish you could see it, truly. Okay, why don't I show them what I found for you? Finally, Dollar Tree has given us toys for big dogs. That's one thing that's just kind of like always bothered me. Is like there's just nothing for the bigger dogs. Like Loki would choke on what they have. But like, look at that. $1.25. Now, my Dollar Trees in my area do not have the bonus section. So that's why you guys haven't really been seeing it. Yeah, so how awesome is that? Do I hear take it? Then I also found this one. Like, look how amazing that is. I don't know how long it's gonna last. And I also, is there another one? Yeah, here's another one. I think I remember getting 3. This one has the tennis ball at the end at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Like, that's a must pick up in my opinion. All right, next up I found, I feel like sometimes I should be organized because I get like multiple things. All right, so I found some new novelty pens. There might be a 4th option. It might be pink. I don't know if I knew this or not, but for sure this is my first time seeing these. Bolero has put out the bars of soap, and I found this in the bar soap section. So the thing about Bolero is, at least at my Dollar Trees, they're no longer like keeping everything together. They're more so putting things into like the aisle categories, if that makes sense. I wish we got things by brands, which we normally do, right? We've got Teaching Tree, we've got Crafter Square, we've got the Voila section, the party section, we've got the Tool Bench, which is like all the garagey type stuff. But Bolero, I feel like is kind of slightly spread out, but I found the box of bar soap. So this top one is a sweet vanilla and rose combination, and this bottom one is sandalwood and verbena, which... what? I'm gonna go ahead and open this so that we can just kind of like see what the soap looks like. Because one thing I love, okay, it's just plain. I was kind of wishing for a little bit more, because if the soap is really beautiful, I would love to put it on display. Yeah, so pretty plain, but anyways, still exciting that there's the new soap at Dollar Tree. The other item is this. I wanted to just kind of give a quick review on this. I've taken this with me both times I went back to Texas recently as just like travel, because it's in this great packaging. You get the refills. This is good. 10 out of 10. Be careful, it's sharper than most, but like it's so good. Does the job, and I love it. So good for travel. It's $1.25. Rave review on that. Twix candy bar. I always get myself some type of treat. I'm on a Twix kick right now. All right, then I found a jackpot of ribbon. Look at this Hobby Lobby style ribbon. Like what? I don't know how it ended up at Dollar Tree, but it's not a Dollar Tree brand. That means run, get this, because then it's gone. So I got this. You can see the different like material. This has like a ribbed, this is a satin. So pretty. I also got it in this thin pink. So all these pinks go together. Then I got the blue. This one I only found it in the satin. And then I got the black. I also got the black in this like medium size here, like whatever size that is. I don't even know. You don't say medium. But like there it is. I'm gonna have to go back and probably get more of those because I think those are fantastic. I also got these. Now these are the Easter label. So also go run and get these, because once Easter is gone, they won't be selling these. I was so excited that they had yellow gingham. That is a hard color. Not even hard. I don't think Dollar Tree's even done it. So here is their other label. Okay, this is their floral label. This is out all year long. This is not. I got it in black, but this label doesn't have this available in yellow. So it has green, it has blue, it has pink, it has red, but it doesn't have yellow. It even has orange. So yeah, had to get the yellow gingham there. I'm gonna put this over here, kind of get some of these things out of my way. Now I'm gonna show you guys some makeup. I've seen this viral lipstick, but it's probably just flying off the shelves. I can't get my hands on it. But it's essentially like that pH lipstick. It's clear, but when you apply it on your lips pick up a certain color, and it can be different for different people. I've been trying to find that, can't find it. Next up, I found Rimmel has this like jelly blush, and there might have been more color options. It's really hard to see in this packaging, and I feel like this has to be some type of like, when the packaging looks like this, it's definitely like samples, right? Like this is made for, I don't know, but it definitely looks like a whole sample situation. So I'm just gonna pop these open and show you guys each color that I got. Packaging is really cute. You can see the colors there. They're supposed to be a blush, but like, okay. I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, opening this is an absolute nightmare. I mean, I've got stuff everywhere. It definitely feels jelly. I don't like really know, like this is not a blush color for me, for my skin tone. This is definitely more of a bronzer, but okay. I mean, I'm just like not really trying that hard, but I mean, I'd have to like do some blend work here, but it feels really nice. I will say that. But I do not like the opening of that whatsoever. I really want to try, so this one is called Poppin' Bottles. Looks more of a highlighter to me. Oh, that is a bronzer. Oh, that is a highlighter. Oh, I was gonna say, the package says blush. Okay, so, but this actually says bronzer on it. So that is a bronzer. Okay, I'm not mad. I'm not mad about that. I mean, the packaging is a nightmare to open because that just looks like, I don't really know, y'all. I'm not the beauty person, but this is labeled as a highlighter, not actually as a blush. So, Loki, just grab something. Loki, don't eat that. Give that to me. You got the pen? You got the novelty pen? You can't have that. All right, I'm loving the bronzer, but I like clearly need to work with it, but I definitely did not place the highlighter where it should go. Yeah, don't, you know, don't judge this product based off of me today. All right, next up, I also picked up these Easter eggs as well. These have always been my favorite. The one that have this like chrome look to it. I just feel like, you know, when Micah turned into a teenager, it was, what do I find at Dollar Tree that just doesn't have that, you know, 5-year-old look to it? And these eggs right here are perfect for the older crowd. And you can see here, I also have it in, I'm struggling today with everything. Like, everything's just like flying out of my hands. Have you ever had a day like that? I rarely have days like that, but like everything just going. But look how pretty that is. So cute again for that older crowd. And then I just had to get the basketball. Where's the other one? I feel like the other part of the lid flew out maybe in my car. But anyways, I feel the need to talk about the Mavs against the Lakers. I don't know if anyone watched that game. It was pretty late, but it was just such a great game. We didn't even have Luka in the game. Kyrie Irving, which is my guy, he was on fire. But the Mavs won. We won by a game, like a buzzer shot. A buzzer three-pointer. I also got this roll of the pink checkered fabric. You guys have seen me haul this a bunch of times, but I just love it. And I needed to restock on that. I also found these, which are so cute. They look like little Starbucks coffee cups. I found them in these two colors. You get like a 4-piece kit in here. You get a loofah, a nail file, a clip, and then the little brush in there. And you get the same exact thing here, but in the different colors. So navy and lavender. So those are gonna be great for the older crowd in the Easter basket as well. And then I found these cute little lip glosses. Like, look how cute they are. They have like, yeah, so this green one is a green apple. And then just gives me 90s vibes. This one is sweet cherry. And this one is blueberry. That's interesting. You would kind of expect a grape, so it's really nice that they gave a blueberry. So I got that. And is this the last thing? This is the last thing. And I'm still not sure what I found. This is an eyelash case with a mirror. And these were the two options that I found. There could be more. I only found these two. So let's open it up and see. Stop. No. You put your little eyelashes in there and you get a mirror. That's just a sticker. You can remove that. The cherries is where it's at. The cherries is the cutest to me, but here's this purple option as well. Yeah, here's my receipt, $91.67, but that's with $5.92 sales tax. That means everything was $85.75. That's how much I spent on this one haul. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I feel like I was slightly erratic, maybe. I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow, or either Saturday or Sunday. I'll see you guys then. Bye.